So now we're doing, you know, this. I haven't seen how it looks, but music? That's what we're doing, huh?
Where's the music?
Oh, can we just do it in yours? Because we can't.
Yeah, I have Pandora.
We got this.
Some of those songs
Look at this.
Tell them who you're turning into.
I'm turning into Aaron. And the awkward thing is, like, I don't know any of you guys.
You really it's over. Yeah.
But see, if you invited me to the band party.
Just keep plugging, Soda. Just keep plugging. There's a spot I need.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. This is so itchy. You guys owe me. It really is. Like, this should not be on my face.
It's kind of
Greetings. The bloopers behind the bloopers. Okay. Can you make it a little bit louder?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it so they can still hear us. Because we do funny things.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, this is gonna
Cat lady, the accidental cat lady. How is she accidental?
I don't know. I never read
the
article.
But what is supposed to be that missing piece that is like gone?
I don't know. Something is like a
you
sad.
Just ruined the whole.
It's a sad picture or something.
So why did you put it on your wall?
I don't know.
This thing is so itchy.
Sorry.
You guys owe me. Hey, do you think if I like cry?
Yeah. Guys can't stand it when girls cry.
Okay.
Okay. Just saving that one for later?
The tears aren't flowing yet.
Not yet. Come here.
You want a massage on my face? See, I should be invited to the band party.
I'm still mad at you about what you said the other day.
What?
When I said that the violin wasn't my favorite of the stringed instruments.
Oh.
And you fought back with mean words.
I didn't mean it.
Look, I didn't tell them that. Do you think they'll notice that you don't have an Adam's apple?
Can I, like, draw a little shot?
Singing off key.
Ouch!
Come here. You look like the Joker.
You're like single and ready to mingle.
So funny. Come here. Come here!
I like your shirt. It looks like I drew it.
That's why I love it. It is drawn by a socially awkward child.
Like, what is this supposed to be?
Like rain or something? I don't know.
I'm gonna get like lipstick all over this white.
No, don't touch it.
Well, my face is covered.
Your face is not gonna get down to your cleavage. Come on. Don't you hate that when you like bend down to get something and your cleavage like gets in the way?
I know, like it's like this.
Yeah.
It's like not that I intentionally like.
I hate that.
No,
and when you're eating and you get cleavage, like you get crumbs in your cleavage.
And then you're kind of like, and there's like a guy.
Yeah,
and you're like.
Sometimes my cleavage is
like,
more than I do. I swear. Like, come here. We're gonna have to cut out all those parts where we're singing because we're really out of key.
That dog just makes me want to cry. Ow! What?
Ow! That dog just makes me want to. Ah! Come here.
Kill him! How much stuff are you gonna put on my face?
All of this stuff.
It's so itchy. Why couldn't we just gotten a fake beard and taped it on?
I didn't have money. If I had had money, we would have just gotten a fake beard.
Like Santa Claus.
Yes. We would have dyed it red with my hair dye.
Yeah. And I could have hairsprayed it so it's like curly. You know,
come here.
You don't know it? Like, like.
There's so much lipstick right there.
Oh my god, maybe because you put it on there.
You make me laugh like I'm insane. We're like an old married couple.
Oh, bring your face to me!
Still.
Oh, married people don't put lipstick.
Bring yourself awkwardly close to me. I'm gonna drop the makeup.
Okay.
Bring yourself.
Myself really
Bring yourself awkwardly close. Put your feet down. Bring yourself over here so I can do the fine details.
My foot's in the way.
I'm gonna cut off your foot. Come on.
That's a little
Lean
harsh.
forward.
Ah!
I'm sorry. Maybe we shouldn't.
Hurry up.
Maybe we should take our friendship to the next friendship level.
You want to be friends?
Want to be friends? Hey, so I don't know if I asked you before, but hey, you want to be friends?
You want to be my friend?
I made this for you.
What should we listen to? Confessions?
Yeah. My life.
Is this by Justin Timberlake?
No. What kind of human being are you?
Oh, sure. Who's this by?
I don't remember. Some band. Stop! I'm having to add the gray.
What?
I had this dream
Why?
of a movie I wanted to make where it.
Can I put on the wig?
What?
Can I put on the wig?
No, not yet. It's a surprise.
Well, I kind of ruined it now. I think people are gonna obviously like be a little confused why a brown person has on her right.
Brown person.
Look at this. I'm not white. I'm brown.
Come here.
Why am I being
Turn your head.
Why am I being a white person if I'm brown?
Because I didn't want to be him. You don't know how to paint a beard onto a person's face.
Yeah, I do.
So I had this dream of a really good movie I wanted to make where it's from the point of view of this girl who's kidnapped when she's like really young by a rapist, right? And he just keeps her locked in his attic. And so she forgets about her other life, right? Mm-hmm. And so she, like, is raised to believe that what he's doing is okay. And I thought, you know who would be perfect to play the rapist? Aaron Delgado! No, I thought that Aaron Delgado would be the perfect rapist. But then I felt scared to tell him.
That's kind of cool.
So,
well, now
yeah, now he knows.
Yeah. See you guys, you get a special preview. My hair. Change the color of your hair.
Hold still!
Oh, you busy.
You look like a freak.
You're so mean! How am I supposed to get lipstick all over, like, all my face? You know, in like 2 hours, I have to go and do this other girl's hair. You know who the other girl is? She's going to homecoming. I gotta take pictures. I don't want to take anything in the picture.
Come over here.
It's a big deal for me.
Want to be my friend?
Friends don't color out their friends.
You can pick your nose, you can pick your friends, but you can't pick your friend's nose. Come here.
It's like the best thing.
Come here.
I think because I probably squished myself.
Yeah, because you're being weird.
I'm being
weird. The beard doesn't look good yet.
My tummy hurts. Come here.
You can put your legs over here.
Come on,
No! You're gonna get lipstick all over my stuff.
No.
Stop! No! That one's vintage. You can't wear my vintage stuff. You can wear that.
Would Aaron wear this?
Yes. Ask Aaron if he looks sexy. Look into the camera. Come here.
No, you're ruining
Get up here! I'm done with you, Soda. Seriously! You look only like you have 5 o'clock shadow. Remember what I said? I'm serious about this shit. Come on.
Come on, I look sexy.
Sexy, and I know it.
Oh, go like that, bye.
Wait. Yeah. I like how you take it up like 2 octaves.
Can we sing that song super fast and everything out?
No. Sing sing it really slow, really low, and then we'll squeakify it.
Okay, let's see. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You can't do this to the same.